Jerry Service Center here again. Specialist in SUVs and pickups. 4x4, Hilux, Kia, Hyundai, Mitsubishi Triton, Navara. So today we're doing a panel van. We're replacing the engine. So this is the work going on here right now. You can see the technicians are busy at it, removing the engine from inside the van. The engine is now being lifted out and we're going to replace it with a complete used engine. So you can take a look at this engine. In a very bad state, not starting, vehicle coming not starting. So it's coming out there. The hydraulic crane. Right, out the van. Engine change at Jerry Service Center. So with this engine now we're going to replace all the coolants, inspect all the belts, make sure there's no oil leaks. Besides, put on the engine here. Proper engine oil. It's a non-turbo engine 4056. So Mitsubishi, Hyundai, same family. So if you have engine change to do or engine repairs, oil leaks and stuff, give us a call at Jerry Service Center. So we'll inspect the gearbox. You can take a look at the gearbox. Obviously we had to wash up and clean up all this area and make sure that the engine bay is clean, wires intact. Examine all them compressors, bearings, pulleys. Install the new engine. When we install the engine, I will do a follow-up video and show you how it's done. So give us a call at 730-9449 6710713 Jerry Service Center. Engine change, Hilux, Vego, Mitsubishi, Hyundai. Give us a call. We supply the engine also. So check us on Facebook, Jerry Service Center Limited.